Today I have a new method for you to make a lot of money. This is so easy to do. I found this out recently and it's working and it's absolutely easy to do. I would like to share this with you so that you can actually take this opportunity and do it because it's so easy to do. Now, what I'm going to show you, it's easy to do, but you need to follow the steps I'll show you because it's a bit confusing, but if you watch me carefully, you'll understand it very well and you'll get excited and you'll get a lot of money. Now, this is absolutely free to do. You don't have to pay any money to do this. There are no registration fees. You don't have to worry about, oh, I have to spend money. No, nothing like that. It's free. And it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are. Africa, Australia, South America, Europe, Asia, everywhere. You can all get access to this opportunity. Now, I want you to understand that the mistake that you are going to make is that you're going to feel like, okay, I've seen the website, let me go and try it out for myself. That's going to be a big mistake because not everybody knows how it works. So just take this time, watch this video all the way to the end. It doesn't cost you much time. It's a couple of minutes. Watch it all the way to the end so that you can understand what you're doing and make the money. Now, you can do this on your phone or on your computer. It doesn't really matter. So just watch this video and let's get into it. Now, before everything, just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Turn on all post notifications. I would really appreciate that. It would really help me so that anytime I have a new video for you, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So the website is called GPT Planet, as you can see over here. GPT Planet. It's gptplanet.com. As you can see over here, earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join. It's absolutely free. Over here, feel free to join GPT Planet. Members from all countries are allowed. Registration at GPT Planet is absolutely free. Over here, earn. At GPT Planet, you can earn by completing simple tasks like viewing advertisements, referring new members, and completing offers. Over here, cash out. Cash out your earnings to Skrill, NetalaPay, Perfect Money, or your Bitcoin wallet. The minimum to cash out is just $1. So let me not get into all this confusing stuff. Let me explain to you what it is. So there are a couple of things that you can do to make money. You can watch advertisements where people will send forth a video and they want you to watch it. Because you watch it, you give them a view and they will pay you for that. Now, there are some kind of games that you can play and make money from that as well. You can answer some surveys in a questionnaire and you can make money from that as well. I'm going to show you something over here. Check this. It's easy money that you can make repetitively all over and over. Somebody is making $10, $3, $2. It's quick money that you can make on GPT Planet. This guy just sent forth that, oh, he received $47, which is awesome. And now this guy said he received $25, which is awesome. So now, first thing you need to do is you need to register. Absolutely free to register. Full name, username, password, day of birth, put in your email address, password, and the account that you want to use to receive your money. Just image verification, click on the terms of service and register. It is absolutely free to do. Now, once you actually do have an account, what you want to do, you want to come over here and there's something called Earn More. Click here and you're going to see the options which you can choose to make money. These are the options that you can actually do to make money. Follow me carefully. Don't skip. Follow me. You want to click on GPT Grid. Click on GPT Grid. You want to click on GPT Grid. Now, as you can see over here, GPT Grid, this is it right here. Now, there are a lot of boxes on this photo. A lot of boxes. As you can see here, they've broken the photo down into different boxes. As you can see over here. Now, every box they're going to pay you. For example, if you see over here, every box, look at the position over here. Over here, it's going to change every time I change the box. So as you can see, it's 20 times 1. As you can see, 19 times 1, 19 times 7, 13 times 13. For here we have 2 times 20, 10 times 24, 20 times 22. So you can see it changes all the time. Over here, 20 times 28. So they're going to pay you 1 cent for every time that you click on a box. Okay, it sounds like a little bit, trust me, absolutely easy. I'm going to show you what you can make. 20 times 28, look over here. When we go, let's check, maybe let's type in the online calculator. Let's check the online calculator. Now, we've come over here and we see 20 times 28. So 20 times 28 times 0.01, 1 cent. So you are going to make $5 for just clicking on the boxes of this photo. You make $5. Now you might say, oh, $5. What is $5? I mean, you basically, all you do is click, 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 finish clicking, and you get $5. So just imagine the amount of times you can be doing this every single day, throughout the day, if you like. I mean, $5, yes, it might not sound like a lot of money, but compared to what you're actually doing to get that $5, it's literally nothing. It's so easy to do. You just want to click, 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 click. You just click on every single photo, every single part of the box on the photo, and at the end of the day, you are going to make $5 for this specific photo. So there are photos, for example, you might make $10. You could make $10, $3, as we saw over here. This guy made $10. Some photos only $3, $3, $2, and this is something you can do repetitively, which means that it doesn't matter how many times you want to be doing this, because there will always be different photos that they want you to click on. So you want to make sure that you click on every single photo, which is absolutely important. So I want to make sure that you understand how this works. So it's absolutely easy to do, and this is what I wanted to show you today. It's GPT Planet, gptplanet.com. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand how it works, just comment any question that you do have below. Comment your question down below. Comment your questions down below. If you haven't already liked this video, please like the video. I would really appreciate that. If you haven't already subscribed to the AD Money channel, please just click subscribe right now. It's absolutely free. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. So I hope this really helps you. Just try it out. If you lost somewhere or you don't understand anything, send me a message in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. This method is absolutely easy to do, and I want you to make the most out of it. Take advantage of it. Remember, you want to make sure that you click on earn more, and it's on the GPT grid. You want to do the GPT grid. This is very important. It's on the GPT grid, which will bring you to a certain photo where you can actually make the money. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and stay tuned for my next video. Cheers.